Hey there, Matt here again. Now, common mistake number one that I quite often see people make is buying a second-hand trailer. Now, when you're buying a second-hand trailer, it's many, many years old and it's done a lot of road work and so on and so forth, right? And you don't really know what actually happened with that second-hand trailer. Then over and above that, a lot of things are worn out, so there's a lot more maintenance, okay? So that's mistake number one, seeing people buying a second-hand trailer instead of spending a little bit extra and buying a brand new trailer so you know the history of the trailer from day dot all the way through that you owned it. Remember, it's a business expense, it's tax deductible, and a good quality dog wash trailer is a actual cash machine.